shit as his profile picture.
Yo, I looked up fish orgy and then
You're gay.
no,
Why?
you, me, gas station.
You, me?
What are we getting for dinner? Sushi, of course. Uh-oh, there was a roofie in our gas station sushi. We black out, wake up in the sewer. We're surrounded by fish, horny fish. You know what that means?
What are you
Fish
talking
orgy.
about?
You don't
What
get
the
it?
Am I just a new gen?
Yeah.
Or new gen.
Here's old
That is
gen for you.
That is unfortunately new gen.
My headset fell again.
404 bad gateway. 100 games, but 100 mid.
Fish orgy. The stench draws in a bear. What do? We're gonna fight it. Bear fight, barehanded, bear naked. Oh yes, please. We befriend the bear after we beat it in the brawl. Then we ride it into a Chuck E. Cheese. Dance,
Huh?
dance,
Why are you riding
revolution.
bears?
Revolution? Overthrow the government? I think so. Next thing you know, I'm reincarnated as Jesus Christ. Then I turn into a jet, fly into the sun, black out again, wake up, do a bump, white out, which I didn't know you could do. Then I
What are you like?
you guys just don't get it. I don't
Fix my.
God.
Does this nigga have a worse stench
Don't say
than
that.
Kenny?
Don't say that. It's way more than 300. Don't say
Joyce!
that.
No, it's not. Oh,
No,
well,
I
at least
swear
on
to you,
Steam recorded.
On Epic Games, it's way more.
Oh, on Epic Games, yeah.
Joyce, would you rather?
What's Evolve?
I am
Wow.
MR25. Evolve?
Holy fuck. I'm
Evolve is
gonna
busted.
actually.
Jedi? Is Jedi Survivor, is that multiplayer?
No.
Joyce.
Oh.
No.
Joyce. Joyce. Joyce.
You guys think he
Guys.
wants Joyce's attention or what?
Joyce.
Who
Maybe.
does? What?
Joyce.
My game. Why is it so
Joyce.
slow?
Joyce.
Oh, you want to play a game? Get Risk of Rain 2.
Why is it so
Yeah,
slow?
I already have that, but I don't really like it.
Oh, so you're gay.
It's like a little too stem.
So bro
There you
has autism.
Yeah.
Spend $40 on Helldivers.
I already have
Divers is
Helldivers,
We
mid.
could just play.
and I
that
just
then.
downloaded,
Destiny 2 is
but
better.
like, what do you even do in that? Just give me a
You
give me a
kill
quote.
bugs or you kill robots. I haven't played it in a couple of like
Destiny 2
months
is
to be sure,
better.
but
Holy.
it's really fun.
Destiny 2 is
If you
better.
say so, I'm gonna trust that.
Democracy.
Alright, change this fucking whole profile, bro. This is corny.
Your
Destiny
profile?
2 is
Yeah.
better.
'cause
Your
profile is
corn,
corny.
Your corner. Your
Don't
corn file.
go.
Bro doesn't even know what a
Don't
profile's
go.
from. Play Cyberpunk, then get back to me, pussy.
Don't go.
Your whole corn file.
You're a
Don't
whole
go.
corn on the cob. Bro, you eat the corn on the cob long ways, you faggot.
Your dad gonna take it long ways.
I got the
What?
Brawlhalla badge.
Brawlhalla has a badge?
Yeah. On every game has a badge.
No.
Every game
No,
that
no,
has
no, 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 no,
cards.
no,
Every game that
no,
has
no, no, no.
cards. Every game that has cards has a
There
badge.
you go. There you go. There you go.
That's like unk knowledge.
What? That's like default Steam knowledge.
That is default Steam knowledge.
Unk knowledge.
Okay, bro. Says the beaner.
This game is so shit.
Whoa.
What are you calling a beaner?
Who
The
you calling Beaner?
Yeah, beaner.
Oh.
Dead Island's only 5 gigabytes.
Gigabytes.
Jetabytes. 5 futtlebytes.
Fuck Latugans.
6 suttlebytes. Oh, wait. This song is so good.
Is it though?
What?
No.
Yes, bro. Ja Rule, bro.
Beyond that mega.
Lick the whole shaft.
How are you gonna fucking stalk my Steam profile but not add me?
Because I don't add people. People add me.
Didn't you,
you're
like,
the one
Beg
blazing
me
my
to accept
profile
your friend
right now?
request.
Glazing. You
Yes.
want to see Glaze?
No.
You want to
Oh.
be glazed?
No.
Facts.
No.
What?
Just want someone to tickle your balls?
No.
Let's see your artworks.
Fuck you.
It's not loading. You're so lucky.
Just give it a sec.
What the
Like,
fuck?
make
You
this
gotta
make
be
sense.
fruity.
Make this make sense. You can see him talking.
What? How do you see me talking? Why is your
In the
Discord
bottom left.
so big?
What do you mean
Why
so
is it
big?
expanded?
Because it is so big.
What do you mean expanded? What?
Dead Island Definitive Edition's done installing. I'm playing it.
Bet. What's the part that's extended? What?
Good question.
Do you mean the part where it shows our icons in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, you can change that.
Oh,
Is it
with like
pink?
a
It's
Like
like a pull and drag, click and drag.
pull and drag.
Isn't it like I used to have it where it's like it moved on
Isn't
its
it-
own. I don't know how to do that anymore. I have to adjust it
Holy
every time I
shit.
want to see a stream.
Dude,
pink?
this. It's like. It's capped at 30 frames.
What is?
Dead
That
Island.
game?
Oh, there's a
It's-
thing. There's a
it's
config
either-
in the files.
Dude, there's a config I have to go through.
I think that's what I did. I have like fucking 1,000 FPS on that shit.
Like, it's so bad.
Yeah, you're pretty bad.
Kill yourself.
What the heck,
You
man?
wanted the dick though.
No.
Yes, you do.
Where?
Wait.
Wait, what is this?
Spank the monkey.
I'm spanking monkey right now, and you can't
Oh.
stop me.
Go choke my chicken.
Do backflips on the cow.
Do backflips on the D. See what happens.
Hold on, I forgot when bro's birthday is. Oh, I don't have it in my notes anymore.
Oh shit.
Bunkai. Buy again. Where did I check my orders?
What is this monkey shit? I can't use my moves. There we go.
Stupid monkey with jujitsu.
What are you playing?
For Battlegrounds.
This shit is so good. What the fuck?
This shit is so good.
It's so peak. I completely forgot I sent this to you. I need to send this again. I need to send it in the group chat.
Please don't.
No, because I think some of y'all gonna love it.
Literally, like, only you. I'm so shit. Oh, this guy's some shit. I'm shit.
Not what I just sent. Not what I just sent. But
No.
this video. Holy shit! I was trying to find it for so long.
I messed up.
I was trying to find it for so long. Holy shit! I need to make her black ass look my huge ass cock.
That's not the original one.
I hate ching chongs. What do you mean it's not the original one? I know there's multiple versions of it, but like,
I'm gonna make your black ass look like God.
Should I uncap my FPS?
sure, bro.
Sure, bro. Fuck you.
Why are you so
You
hateful?
wanna what?
What?
Why are you hitting on my hitting on my
What?
hole right now?
Hey, bro.
Fucks you.
Online options, game type, private, friends only.
Slowly.
Strokes it slow.
Slow.
Is that real?
Alright, I'm starting a new game. Waiting for you to join me. Wait, there's different stats for people I start out as.
Why is that so
Yeah.
small?
I haven't played this game. I mean, I played it one time on the Xbox 360,
My card
and
breaks.
I never touched it again.
Oh, but that's so
Actually,
chill though.
your son
On
with
360,
drone
that's so
gets shit
chill.
on by off meta
I mean, it
King,
fucked
aka
on the Xbox
50 Shredder
360.
Ray or on Carquito.
That's off meta.
Throwing expert, firearms expert.
Shredder
am I
Ray's
gonna
like
go for?
hella off meta. Oh! When we're doing some shit like
Yes, bro.
Repel is like
Rappel
yamming him.
Rappel was like, yeah.
Look outside your window.
$3 game. Oh,
That's so shit. Where'd all my aura go?
how do you change your FOV?
I don't remember you being able to.
I'm gonna fucking find out.
I'm gonna, you know.
Not get that close to.
All right, I found out how to fix it.
Holy shit! Why that like no stun?
Send him a message.
What should I increase the FOV by?
30.
60.
30? I'm thinking 10 or 20 because I don't want it to be too crazy. But like, look at how my mouse.
Not too crazy.
Look at how like it's so low.
What games are Ash for key? You are gay.
Okay.
Extremely gay.
It's a single player. That's crazy.
Invite me, nigga. Oh, you're not done yet.
Yeah, I have to go through the prologue, but I want to fix my FOV first.
That's
Okay.
right, bro.
It's a building.
Bros being bros.
I just think Mal fucks with Giggle Shitter.
You think Mal fucks with me, bro?
Yeah. You guys are like best
No.
friends.
Do you think Mal fucks with me, bro? I'll be thinking about that every time I go to bed. I'll be thinking like, yo, did I do Mal right today?
That
That's
is
what you should think.
extremely fucking gay.
Yo, why are the zombies so hard to kill now? I'm doing 700 damage each bullet, and it took me 5 shots in the head.
So your box.
Why are you giving him head?
Did I treat Mel right
Bro.
today?
How could they have gone differently?
That might have been the gayest shit Joseph ever said.
Yo, these zombies are hard to kill. How do I change weapons again? I forgot how to do this. I haven't played this in like a year.
Oh, F4?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Fuck yourself. Fucking fat ass bitch.
Dude! Now's rubbing
Oh,
off on
fuck
you.
you.
That was
granny.
uncalled for.
That is wild.
Oh, I forgot about the special ability. I didn't even use this on my last run.
Why is Bone good?
Bone been good. They nerfed Bone because it was like broken.
This shit is still broken. What the fuck? It has a like a literal no wind up teleport
shit.
move.
Been like that. Weren't you gonna reroll off a Bone or Slash?
I did, and I got Bone.
Smoking that rock.
Oh.
Keeping this shit.
Isn't Bone good with Hakuda? Bone proficiency kendo.
That's like the one thing I didn't even try. I have electrified. Oh, is this even electric? It's not. Oh, one's. Cinemoy. My name's Cinemoy.
That doesn't hit him. What? Why is that stun fucking infinite?
Are you thumb fucking my drink, sir?
Maybe.
How do I kick again? E. I did 1,000 damage. Holy shit. Fucking beamed. Oh, 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 oh. Are you thumb fucking my drink, sir? You.
Me up. Easy.
Bitch. This shit's powerful. I can't
Oh,
use this
no.
anymore. Can I kill this guy? No.
It's just not even near me. Drag his ass in! He's in range! What are these broken hitboxes?
Oh.
I'm playing like a drone. Look out of here.
Alright, so it's extremely fucking complicated to change your FOV. But I'm gonna do it anyways.
Where'd it go?
There's 10 steps.
Do you really need to change your FOV, bro?
1000%.
Why?
Because if I play on a low FOV, I straight up get nauseous.
Are you weak as shit?
No, yeah.
He's the weakest of them all.
How about he's a Twinkie, so tomorrow?
I don't appreciate your derogatory comments, faggot.
I appreciate it.
You look more like a faggot than I do, probably.
No.
Yeah, Joyce is like 6'2", buff as shit. He has
No, I
like
have the beetle build.
he got rug burns on his dick.
Facts.
It's like a slip and slide.
That's like the most. That's like that's such a poor timing to send that, bro. And it's not in the group chat. Like, what are you doing? What are you thinking?
I'm nothing like yo.
I'm gonna send you something horrific now.
I'm gonna block you so you can't.
Let me find it. This nigga actually did it.
I thought I was joking.
I was just holding that, seeing if you'd actually block me like a bitch.
No, because you said that, I wasn't going to if you didn't persist, but you did.
Persist? What do you mean persist?
I said, I'm going to block you, and then you're like, let me find it. So I blocked you. If you said,
Yes.
okay, bro, then I wouldn't have.
It's all specific like that.
All you're gay.
Now forever hating.
I am.
You know
I was
you know
born a
that
hater.
looks gay.
I came out of a womb a hater.
Looking
Like, you
gay.
don't- No.
Looking up.
Wait, you say you came out the womb gay? What? did you let that slip?
Oh, bro.
Did you mean to let
You
that
said
slip, bro?
You
No,
said
you said that. I came out the
Fuck you.
womb gay. like, what? Like that's what you said, man.
That's not what I said.
Yeah, that is.
It might have been
I said I came out the womb a hater. is what I
looking
said.
gay.
Came out the womb gay.
Okay, bro. Alright,
Are you done with the prologue yet, Nick? Like, damn.
I'm not playing the prologue. This whole time I've been trying to fix my FOV.
Alright, bro. Then we're playing another game, bro.
Nope. I'm playing this
I'm-
one with or without you.
You're gonna play with me.